This is our wash basin. This is very, very beautiful. And take a look in this glaze and then in the ceramic. You can touch here and feel our quality. This is a perfect match. Look at the colors, they are very perfect.
How many colors we can expect it from the Sanitera?
We have 7 different colors and then we can match, as you can see here. So take a look on this set. This set is the color sand. So if you see here, we have like the mixers and they match, and the accessories and they match.
Oh yeah, I can see. So you mean also Sanitera makes the accessory in the same color of the toilet and the wash basin?
Yes.
And what about the shower tray?
So you can find the shower trays as well.
In the same color?
In the same colors. You can find them in acrylic or plain stone. We have these 2 options of products.
Great.
And if you see, these products make your bathroom look amazing, colorful, and reflects the modernity of the trend market. So Saniterra is now the best company that can offer you everything that
in the colorful.
In the colorful.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. Thank you.